food with more protein than eggs. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. There are several foods that contain more protein than eggs. While eggs are a good source of protein, there are other options that offer even higher protein content per serving. Here are some examples. Chicken breast. Skinless, boneless chicken breast is a lean source of protein, providing about 31 grams of protein per 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving. Turkey breast. Similar to chicken breast, turkey breast is high in protein, with around 29 grams of protein per 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving. Tofu. Tofu is a plant-based protein source, providing about 8 grams of protein per 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving. Firm tofu has slightly more protein content. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a dairy product that is rich in protein, containing about 10 grams of protein per 6 ounce, 170 gram, serving. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is another dairy option with high protein content, offering around 11 grams of protein per half cup, 113 gram, serving. Fish. Salmon, tuna. Various types of fish, such as salmon and tuna, are excellent sources of protein. Salmon typically provides around 25 grams of protein per 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving. Lean beef. Lean cuts of beef, like sirloin or tenderloin, contain roughly 25 to 27 grams of protein per 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving. Seitan. Seitan is a meat substitute made from wheat gluten and is very high in protein, providing around 25 grams of protein per 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving. Lentils. Lentils are a plant-based protein source, offering about 9 grams of protein per half cup, 100 gram, cooked serving. Quinoa. Quinoa is a grain that is higher in protein compared to most other grains, providing approximately 4 grams of protein per half cup, 100 gram, cooked serving. Remember that the protein content can vary based on factors such as cooking methods and portion sizes. Incorporating a variety of these protein-rich foods into your diet can help you meet your protein needs. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.